Hello Votamin, so welcome back to the channel. So right now the migration is actually live. So this is the tutorial video of making this particular migration without error, step by step. So do not bother about the link to this particular platform, which is the Ever Migrate. I'm going to be sending the link down to the description of this particular video and first at the first comment section. So go right there to click on the link. So once you click on the link, which is the Ever Migrate right here on, you can actually see it as Ever Swap. So after you've gone to this, then all you need to do is to first thing and the first step we are going to be doing is to connect your wallet right here. So all you need to do is to click on connect wallet, as you can see right here. So once you click on connect wallet, you can actually connect your wallet directly from this particular side. Either you are using the Trust wallet or any of the wallets right here, the Coinbase and every other stuff. So after you've done that, then you click on the wallet you are connecting to. So once you click on the wallet you are connecting to right there, then you are actually going to be able to input the token you want to swap. So right here you are going to click on the particular token you want to swap, and it's going to list out those tokens in your wallet directly for you. So once you click on it, then you actually click on the vote in on right now. So after clicking on vote in on, it's going to bring out the particular value of your voting on at this particular point. Then you can decide on your own the particular amount of voting on you want to swap, if it is actually the 25% of it, if you're actually swapping all the 50% of it, or 75% of your particular token right now. So after you've done that, and there's this particular other way you can do it to actually boost up the particular price you want to check in. You can actually swap this down from 0% and to check it right here, or any area you want to send. So that's another part of you doing this. So after you've done that, then your coin is actually going to be swapping from this particular input right here, and you're going to be seeing the output you're going to be getting right here. So at this particular point, you're going to be getting the amount you're going to be the amount you are swapping and the amount you're going to be getting right there. So once you are done, then you come to this particular side and click on migrate. So it's going to migrate into your account directly. But note something at this point: you can actually change to another wallet if you really want to migrate into another wallet. Like, you don't want to migrate into the same wallet you actually do. So all you need to do is to click on this particular side after creating the wallet and input the another wallet address you want to migrate on. Then after that, you click on migrate. So after you click on migrate, you follow the next process and click on confirm. So after you've done that, you successfully migrate into Votenon V2. And remember, after you migrate, make sure you actually come right here and disconnect your wallet right here. Make sure you disconnect your wallet from this platform after the migration. So thanks so much for watching. I'm going to be making further review, so do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.